I want to share with you ways that we become more complete as project managers. Molecular chemistry shows that complex molecules are far more potent. So same thing for we as individuals can be more potent as we combine more skills. So we use that molecular depiction as a way to talk about the skills we think are very important to become a more complete project manager. When you're incomplete, you're going to have many more problems and failures and challenges to try to be successful in getting optimized results. But as you become more complete, it's going to be far more productive. Results will happen. We can compare that to a spinning roulette wheel. When it is spinning and we put energy into all of these skills, we become very effective. However, when we don't put that same energy into it, it's going to turn out that we have a different picture. And we can see here are some skills that are often very poor or score lower when people do an assessment of how complete they are. So the same thing we want to think about for ourselves as a way to develop these skills, or if we don't have strength in them, find others that we can work with that can supplement and complement the skills that we have. It'd be good to do this assessment and be able to then share that with other team members and find out how we understand each other better, how we can work together better. Another way of looking at integrating these skills together is to look at these gears. These gears can be moving in the correct direction with a good magnitude. And if any of them are missing or stopped or don't move, we can find that integrated outcomes are going to be stopped or inhibited from happening. It's just another way to show how integrating all these skills together can make us more complete, more effective, and have a really good, powerful performance in our organization.